Hey guys, it's been a minute since I made a video and I just kind of wanted to make a video and tell you guys where I've been. So my last two videos I talked about Whatnot. That honestly has been consuming a lot of my time. Another thing that has been consuming a lot of my time, we adopted a puppy. Honestly, I was never a dog person. Literally for my 37 years of life, I was all about cats. I was like, yeah, I like cats. But now I'm like, cats. I mean, we still have a cat and I love her, but overall, I'm like, cats. Guys, this puppy, I'll show you guys a picture. I was gonna show her in this video, but she's actually in her crate sleeping right now. But she is so good. Like, she is such a good dog. Her name is Maggie. She is 4 months old. She's a mix between a black-mouthed cur and a hound. This is what she looks like. She's so friggin' cute. Yeah, she's been taking up a lot of time as well. I can't tell you how many comments I've gotten from people in my life that are like, you're crazy. You're crazy. Like, you have 5 kids. Your youngest is under 2 and now you have a puppy. It's like, it's almost to the point where it's like insulting. Like, I'm crazy. Like, no, it's like, I think I'm just better at multitasking than you and I have more patience than you. Not everyone can handle 5 kids and a puppy, yes, but don't shit on the ones that can. You know, so I don't know. It was just annoying to hear people be like, oh my God, you're so crazy. Oh my gosh, it's chaos. It's chaos. Not a fan of people that turn a positive situation into like a negative situation. Like, oh, you don't know what you're in for. It's like, I've had 5 kids. I think I can handle a puppy too. Like, it is similar. I always used to roll my eyes when like people would be like, oh, I have a puppy. You know, it's just like having a newborn baby. I'm like, yeah, okay. It's definitely not exactly the same, but it is similar in many ways. That's been going well. And yeah, I've just been focusing a lot of time on Whatnot. I'm really liking it. I'm trying to build my following over there. YouTube has kind of been on the back burner, which is crazy because in my 16 years of doing YouTube, I don't think I've gone longer than like a couple days without making a video. And 6 days ago, that's when I uploaded my last video. I don't think I've gone that long, honestly, in my 16 years of doing this. So yeah, I want to get back into it. It was interesting. I was actually on Whatnot yesterday or the day before. She was being interviewed, which I didn't think Whatnot was like a talking thing. Whatnot, from my understanding, is an app to sell things, not to have like not to do what I'm doing right now, like have conversations with you and, you know, like, I don't know, like in the onboarding they focused on selling. They weren't just like, yeah, you know, you can have conversations on there, which is, it's whatever. Like, I don't give a shit, but I'm just like, oh, okay, people are doing that on there. Okay. Anyway, one reseller who used to make YouTube videos, she doesn't make YouTube videos anymore. The guy asked her, he's like, you're gonna go back to YouTube? And she's like, no, nope. She said she didn't have time for it. She's like, nobody watches YouTube anymore anyway. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, what planet are you on? What? Of course people do. I don't know if she's referring to like other resellers. I don't know who she's referring to, but people absolutely still watch YouTube videos. Like, again, I don't know if she's living on Mars and maybe they don't have good Wi-Fi up there and they're not watching YouTube, but here on planet Earth, a lot of people still watch YouTube videos. So yeah, I just thought that was weird. I think I want to do a video giving like Whatnot tips, like telling you guys the things to do and don't. It's going to be like a lighthearted video. I don't know. I think that would be funny. One thing I've noticed is that people refer to their clothing items with pronouns. It's like, okay, yeah, they'll be like, oh, I have this shirt, and because it's green, we have to call it a boy, so he's great. Or you have like this pink shirt, like she's a beauty. It's like he and she for clothing items. Like, I don't know, I just think that that's funny. There's a lot of like weird things like that. And there's a lot of slang. I think I'm gonna make a video talking about that because it'd be pretty funny. It would be kind of similar to my how to be a beauty guru videos that I used to do. If you guys have no idea what those are, I'll link a playlist down below. But years ago, before anyone made any parody videos, I started a series called How to Be a Beauty Guru, and I was like making fun of beauty gurus, and it was lighthearted, you know, some of the things that I would do myself. So, you know, I was making fun of other people and myself too. Again, it was very lighthearted. But yeah, I did a bunch of those videos, and I feel like I should do like how to sell on Whatnot. Oh, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I am. So yeah, anyway, I'm just having a lot of fun on there. I have so many shows scheduled. Let me see. I have one tomorrow night. I'm going to try to get this video up today. Today's actually the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone. I have one scheduled tomorrow night, so July 5th at 7 o'clock Eastern time. We're going to do sweatshirts and hoodies. I'm so excited. I have a bunch of really, really good ones. And then on the 7th, I have a denim show. The 9th, I'm doing dresses and skirts. I'll have like all this down below, and I'll have links to the shows if you guys want to check them out. You can bookmark them. The 13th, I'm doing sneakers and shoes. The 15th, oh, I'm excited for this one. I'm doing vintage. I've got some sick ass vintage tees coming in. I'm so excited. The 16th is going to be just random. And then the 23rd, I'm going to do a fall vibes show. And then I have a few more that I want to schedule too, but I feel like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shows scheduled. Like that's enough for now. But yeah, I'm just having fun with it. I'm really enjoying it. I like the interacting. And it's just a lot of fun. Like I said, I'm trying to build up my audience on there. That's where I've been. I've been doing live shows on Whatnot and tending to a perfect little puppy. Guys, seriously, I'm obsessed. I'm rambling now, but I'm gonna go. But I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know what I've been up to. I am still gonna be making YouTube videos. I'm still gonna be doing Q&A. I have a couple thrift hauls I want to show you guys. I'm gonna do a thrift with me soon. A bunch of you guys have asked me to do that. Been asking me to do that for a while, so I'm gonna do one of those coming soon. But yeah, I'm not abandoning YouTube because people still watch YouTube videos regardless of what your favorite reseller says. That's still, I'm just like, what? If you guys have any questions about anything, specifically Whatnot, you can comment down below and I will do another video. I have one Q&A type video. I'll link that down below. But yeah, again, I'm just having fun with it. I'm really addicted. It's a lot of fun. I'll have links to my shows down below. Again, I have a show tomorrow night, June 5th at 7 o'clock Eastern time. Hoodies and sweatshirts, men's and women's, vintage and modern. It's gonna be so much fun. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.